how to use Fashion Nova gift card. In order to use Fashion Nova gift card, you could shop online and enter the unique code provided in your email confirmation during the checkout procedure as well. Or else, what you want to do is you could simply open up your Fashion Nova app onto your device, go to the home page, after which you just want to make sure to start adding item to your bag, right? Once you add in the item to your bag, you want to make sure to select a view bag or cart section. Here it is at the top right. Once you do this, you have these enter discount code, right? You could simply go ahead and enter in the redemption code and you could tap apply and you should be able to get certain amount of discount on your purchase, which can be displayed in the checkout page as well. And that is how you're supposed to use Fashion Nova gift card. And if you want to save it for later use, you could do this by going to the me section from the home page at the bottom right. There, you just want to make sure to go to my orders, actually gift card, and you have these purchase a gift card, or you could just go ahead and look for these fields where you could go ahead and enter in the gift card redemption code. And that is how you're supposed to use Fashion Nova gift card redemption code. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.